11th birthday. This is your granddad's, and he's handed it to my father, and then I hand this to you. Happy birthday, mate. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Dad. I want a Barbie doll. Stop this!
Now against the post.
Okay, I'll get you a Barbie doll.
You get your stinking Barbie doll. Weirdo. Stop it.
Right, that's enough, Harley.
Oh, luckily I didn't snap it over my leg. Splinters.
Oh,
How do I stop?
Oh, my foot!
Do I just press the button again to
Luckily
stop?
I didn't smash it over my leg.
Oh, yeah.
Do I press the button again to stop?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.